Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and as promised, I am going to be making for you today my delicious 1-point pancakes. What you're going to need is some Carb Quick, some Kodiak cakes, pancake and waffle mix, some Sucron Gold. You're going to need some vanilla and 2 eggs. I'm also going to be having my Butterball thin and crispy turkey bacon, 2 slices for 1 point, with a little bit of my bacon seasoning on top. So the first thing you want to do is you want to beat up your 2 eggs in a bowl. Now to that, I will be adding 1 cup of the carb mix, 1 even cup. So 1/2 of a cup of Carb Quick is 4 points. So 1 full cup is 8 points. And I got the Carb Quick, I forget, either from Amazon or from Thrive Market, but you can find it in both places. Next, I am going to be adding 1/2 cup of the Kodiak pancake and waffle mix. I'm just stirring this up a little bit, getting the egg incorporated. So I need to go out and buy more of this because I make these a lot for my niece. She loves them. So 1/2 cup of the Kodiak mix. I end up adding exactly 1 cup of water. So I'm adding a little water at a time. But at the end of the recipe, you'll see that it's 1 full cup of water. Also, I just added about a tablespoon of the vanilla, and I'm adding 2 even tablespoons of Sucron Gold. It just adds such a nice sweetness, and it's 0 points. Without it, they just don't taste the same. So if you don't have the Sucron Gold, you can also get that at Thrive Market and on Amazon. Now, I'm going to be putting on my thin and crispy turkey bacon from Butterball. 2 slices is 1 point. And to that, I'm going to be adding just some bacon seasoning. It makes it taste a little bit more like real bacon instead of turkey bacon. So I absolutely love that idea. And I will put the link below where I got my bacon seasoning from. So I'm going to spray my grill. It's preheating. And then I'm just going to mix up my pancake batter. So now that was the rest of the 1/2 of a cup, but I am going to add another full 1/2 of a cup. I will have the full recipe in the description box below for you. Now you could do it whatever consistency you like. If you like a thicker batter, if you want it really thin, you can make almost like a crepe. That would be delicious. So I'm just going to get this all incorporated. And it makes, this much batter makes exactly 13 pancakes. So the 1 cup of Carb Quick is 8 points. And the 1/2 a cup of the Kodiak is 5 points, which is 13 points. So when I make the pancakes, I use 1/4 of a cup. But I do not fill it all the way. I leave it like 1/8 of an inch from the top. If you fill up your 1/4 cup measuring cup to the top, you only get 11 pancakes. So I do it a little less than 1/4 of a cup of the batter, and I end up getting exactly 13 pancakes. It's 13 points for this whole entire batter. So that comes out to 1 point per pancake. And they wait till you see how they rise up so beautiful. They taste exactly like a real pancake. I tried it with just the Carb Quick, and they don't come out right. So, and then I've also tried just doing the Kodiak mix, but they're a little too proteiny for me. It doesn't taste like a real pancake. So with the combination of the two, let me tell you, they are absolutely perfect. So I didn't see this recipe anywhere online. I was looking at a ton of recipes how to use that Carb Quick. So I came up with this recipe on my own. And as you can see, it's not totally filled up. And that's 1/4 of a cup, measuring cup. And like I said, I get exactly 13, so they're 1 point each. Now for my niece, I'll be going to my mother's later to rototill her garden and try to do some stuff in her backyard. So on 4 of the pancakes, I will be putting 10 of the Lilies chocolate chips on each pancake. So if she has 2 at a sitting, 20 Lilies chocolate chips are only 1 point for 20. So I will be putting, I didn't film it, 10 in each pancake for my niece, just on the top before I flip them. So for her 2 pancakes, it'll be 3 points for 2 pancakes with the Lilies chocolate chips. So I'm just going to let these cook until you see a little bit of bubbles on the top of each pancake. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes, I would say. And I'm just showing you 1/2 cup is 5 points. A 1/2 cup of the Carb Quick is 4 points, so 1 cup would be 8. 8 and 5 is 13. For that whole entire batter, 13 points. And the bacon cooks up so quick and easy. And it gets nice and crispy. I love the Butterball thin and crispy bacon. 2 slices for 1 point. You can't beat that. You still need a few more little seconds going on. Well, that one I'm flipping. I don't know if you can see from the angle how nice they rise. They rise absolutely beautifully. Look at those pancakes, and they are delicious. But you really do need to add the vanilla and the sucron. It just takes them to a whole new level. And that's how quick and easy it is to make a 1 point pancake that are absolutely off the charts delicious. So my bacon's done. Delicious. I'm just going to wipe down where I had that bacon on it because of that bacon seasoning. I don't want that bacon seasoning to get into my pancake. I will be using the Carys Sugar Free Syrup, which I only had a little bit left. So not even like a tablespoon or 2, which is 0 points. Look at how delicious they look. They get so fluffy and like thick and fluffy. I just can't even explain it to you. They are so good. So check out your Amazon store, your Thrive Market. Make sure you get the Carb Quick mix, biscuit mix. That happens to be a 5-pound bag. That was like the best value. And I figured if I was going to be playing around with a lot of recipes, which I did, and I wasted a lot because it just didn't come out good. I even tried making pasta with it. but it just didn't work. But so far, these pancakes are numero uno. So good. So these first few that I put on, they're done. And I'm just going to continue to make my pancakes, like I said, with the 1/4 cup, not all the way filled up. And I get 13 gorgeous pancakes for 1 point each. And 2 of them with some fruit, the Carys Sugar Free Syrup, the 1 point turkey bacon, the Butterball, thin and crispy. It's a 3-point breakfast that fills you up and keeps you going until lunch. So I'm absolutely in love with these. See how gorgeous they are? I'm just going to continue to cook the rest of them, and then I'll be back to show you how they all came out and my breakfast plate. Now here's the pancakes that I put on the grill. And I put 10 chocolate chips in each one. Those will be for my niece. And 20 of the Lily's chocolate chips is only 1 smart point. So 2 pancakes with the chocolate chips is 3 smart points. Well, there you have it, my beautiful 1 point pancakes. And yes, the ones with the chocolate chips are 2 pancakes for 3 smart points. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscription button. Please hit that notification bell so you know when I have another video coming up. Have a blessed day, everybody. Bye-bye.